Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul, spring edition. Walmart put out their new spring items, and you already know I had to grab a few pieces. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's get into it. Okay sis, so for this first look is so cute, and I was so shocked to have found something that matched, like a matching set, even though it's not a matching set, but it's giving matching set. But yeah, anyways, so this is the top. It's like this seamless top. I've always wanted a seamless top and I just never bought one. So here we have it. She's real stretchy, real cute, like nice fabric. I got her from the junior section, size large. I did upsize just because it is a seamless top. If you know, it's 3% spandex, 97% nylon. Like it just looks small and tiny. Any seamless top that I've ever seen just looks real tiny, but once you get into it, I'm sure it just stretches. But yeah, I just was scared because it was tiny, as well as I always upsize in juniors anyway. So yeah, size large it is, and it fits me to the T, y'all. Like super stretchy, again, just really nice material. It was $7.98. Girl, I didn't even know that. I kind of just picked it up. But yeah, $7.98, such a good deal. The brand is No Boundaries, again, junior section. And yeah, I love the v-neck, and as you can see, it's ribbed, and again, just super stretchy, y'all. And it came in other colors as well. I did pair it with these cargos, which I thought was just such a good find, because sis, I don't know if they meant for it to go, because y'all, it was on two separate little lanes or whatever. But yeah, I don't know if they meant for it to go, but yeah, we're gonna put it together and we're gonna do a matching set every time. Again, No Boundaries junior section, size large. I did upsize in these because girl, the medium looked super small, and yeah, juniors always kind of fit me a little small anyway, so size large fits me to the T. And these were only $13.98 for some cargo parachute pants. Like sis, it is very thin material, but again, it's for the spring. Spring is still a little chilly, but you know, it's starting to warm up, so I think it's perfect for the springtime. Not too heavy at all, just really light. And the color, y'all, the color is so pretty. They also had these in other colors as well, or I will say another color. No, I'll say colors. I think it was beige, like a beige type color, and as well as black. But yeah, this little baby blue is just so cute. It has the little cargo pockets on the side. It as well has the little drawstring at the bottom. I thought I was gonna have to utilize this because these are, I'm not gonna say fairly short, but they're a little short, almost high waters. I'm 5'7", I have long legs, and yeah, the pants was just a little short on me, but when I put on my shoes, it kind of just went hand in hand to where you really can't tell, because yeah, I almost thought I was gonna have to utilize this, which if you are tall, you can just go ahead and utilize this, and you probably wouldn't, you know, be able to tell the difference. But yeah, y'all, real cute. I tucked the top in just to give it that look. And sis, so anyways, I paired it with some Jordans, my denim Jordan ones, and my little side bag is from Shopacura, the little Balenciaga dude, just because I wanted to keep it all blue. I mean, I could have broke it up, but I just kind of like it. So this next look, you know, we had to throw in a little graphic because it would not be me if I didn't. This is from the men's section, and as you can see, we have us a pink Floyd top. She's real cute, y'all. Like just real subtle and simple. Like I love a good simple graphic tee, girl, the hair, but I love a good simple graphic tee or a graphic sweat top, whatever we calling it, sis. I got this in a size extra large. This was the only size that they had, extra large and extra large, but they had other sweat tops, and the large kind of looked like it would have fit me small anyway. So an extra large literally fits me like an upsize, how I would normally upsize to a large. This kind of fits me like a large, because you cannot tell that this is an extra large. I want to say that these probably run small. So yeah, I'm super glad that I got it in an extra large, and this was the only thing that they had, because girl, it fits me to the T. Then I paired her with these pants from the junior section, and if you know, you know that I had these in my last haul, I want to say. Girl, I can't remember how many hauls ago, but it had to have been in my last haul with the Tupac shirt. Sis, these are so bomb. So anyways, junior section, the brand is Tinseltown. I just kind of remembered Tinseltown. Size medium and $17.98. I did not upsize because the large kind of looked a little big, and these fit me to the T. It has like the little stretchiness at the back. You do not need a belt, and I just love that, because I don't like wearing belts. I just think belts are outdated. Are they? No, but just to me, I just don't want to wear a belt. Like, I just want my pants to fit me perfectly and just look cute, and I could just wear a bodysuit or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is my vibe going forward. Just no belt, beltless, okay? Belt hoop. Anyway, y'all, because I'm just talking crap. But yeah, y'all, these are just so cute. Like, I love the little pockets. The length is perfect. Again, 5'7" long legs, and the length just fits me to the T. Like, I just love them, y'all. And the color, girl, you can wear these with practically anything, because the color is neutral and it pairs so well with the top. Like, girl, just a perfect match. So anyways, the shoes that I have on are Nike Daybreaks, just to offset the browns and just go with the new beige. You get what I'm saying? Like, just to match the top. Basically, like, what am I saying? Anyway, and then yeah, so then the bag is Steve Madden that I got from TJ Maxx, and together we cute. We cute. So then next we have this puffer, y'all. So I seen this puffer about 2 weeks ago, and I'm just like, are they gonna put out the rest of the haul, the spring collection or whatever? Because I just know that it's coming once I seen that they had this puffer. And girl, then that's when they put out everything else 2 weeks later. But sis, I had to run it back and get this puffer. This also comes in black. It just, girl, it's like something that would be at Zara, like one of your high-end stores, because it's just giving quality. It's definitely giving quality. It's giving Abercrombie. It's giving Zara, like, you know, one of those stores. Super cute. And from the junior section, you would have thought that this would have been in the women's section, because the women's section typically has the nicer quality items, free assembly, scoop, stuff like that. But girl, no. No boundaries. Like, sis, no boundaries ain't playing. They not playing. So I got this in a size large. I did upsize. You already know medium is my normal size, but I upsized literally everything in the juniors department. Anyways, large and $18.98. Sis, $18.98. You know, if this was at Zara, it would have been $49.90, $69.90, $89.90. Like, it would have been up there. Like, girl, and then it's quality. Like, get into it. Get into the quality. Like, I really love this. It buttons up. That is the only downside. I went to zip it, because just typically it always has a zipper. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe that's just me thinking, but I thought it was gonna have a zipper. So no zipper, the buttons, but it's still cute. It's still cute. Like, I really like it. I think it does. It has like the little drawstring, so you can make it more cropped if you want to. It as well has pockets. Sis, like, and she gonna keep you warm for the spring. You know, it's a little chilly still in the springtime, so she'll keep you warm, and then whenever it warms up, just don't wear it. But anyway, we're here for it. I love it. Girl, she's messing up the hair, but she's cute. So I paired the vest with this white top. It's free assembly, size medium. Y'all had this top forever. It's really just basic. You can get a white top from anywhere, and I want to say it was maybe like $12 or $13. Real stretchy material. They're on sale now for I think like $10, because everything winter is on sale. But yeah, just basically put a white top underneath, and it's just gonna complete the outfit. And then I kept on the same pants that I had on in the previous outfit, just because I was going for that neutral tone look. Like, I just love mixing neutrals. Like, it does not have to match. As long as his neutrals is in the family, like, sis, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. So then I paired it with again, my day breaks, as well as the bag is from, girl, let me think, Zara. The bag is from Zara, like maybe 2 seasons ago, just to add in some more cream for the vest and the white top. It's just real cute, y'all. But yeah, that's the look. So this next look is another graphic tee look. You know how I love my graphic tees. This graphic tee is from the women's section. Like, sis, the women's section be having graphic tees sometimes. So size large, $9.98. It's no brand. Typically with the graphic tees, it's never any brand. It's kind of just, you know, you get what I'm saying. But yeah, this is Blondie. It says direct from New York City. Am I a fan? No, it was just a graphic tee. I love the colors. I love that it was brown, orange, and pink. Like, I just love the colors. So I mean, it is what it is. Like, who wears a graphic tee anymore because they like the band? It either matches the shoes or it don't, and it matches the shoes. Like, that's just it. Like, it just goes with my orange shoes. It went with the cargos, and I just thought it was cute. No offense to anybody who is a fan, I'm not opposed. I just really liked it because, you know, it just was cute. So anyways, real cute, size large. I upsized, even though I kind of didn't, but the medium looks so small. And if you know, women's graphic tees are always like this soft material, and as you size up, it widens. Like, it just gets wider, it doesn't get longer. So it's just like, I don't know, graphic tees in the women's section are hit or miss, but because I really like the colors, I just went ahead and got it. She's still cute. She's very light and airy, and $9 isn't a bad deal, and it's nothing on the bag at all. But yeah, this is the graphic tee. It paired so well with these cargo pants. These are very lightweight, like the first cargo pants. These are slightly different. I want to say that these are low rise. Again, I got these from the junior section. No Boundaries is the brand, and they were $17.98. And I got them in a size large. Yeah, I just want to make sure. I got them in a size large. I did upsize because, again, the medium, we already went through the spill. So yeah, size large. These are, again, low rise because it only has this one button, and that's the only downside to this, because I just look how it's like just so small. I'm just used to it being a little longer, just because I like my pants to be on my stomach a little bit, a little high-waisted. So it just took me by surprise, just a tad bit. But they're still cute, despite it just being that one little button or whatever. But yeah, they're still cute. It has the little cinch at the bottom if you want to do that. These are borderline short. These are shorter than the first pair. So again, these are definitely supposed to be low rise so that you can optimize that length, because if you try to pull them up like I do and wear them high-waisted, girl, they're gonna straight be high water. So you do have to wear them off of your waist. And I don't think it says low rise. It doesn't, but it just gives low rise. It says mid rise, to be exact. Girl, nothing mid about it. It's really low rise. Maybe for you it may be mid-rise, but I have a long torso and long legs, so for me it's like, I don't know. But together the fit is cute. Like, it just paired together so nicely. My hat is from Urban Outfitters. My shoes are some Jordans, some orange and white Jordans or whatever. And then I kind of just tuck the top to the side, just because, again, it widens up. And yeah, I put on my little orange Zara bag to bring out that orange, and it's a look, y'all. Like, she's a contender, like one of my favorite looks. Like, she's definitely a contender. Love the colors. Okay, y'all, so this last look is hands down my favorite. I love a good dressy moment, but then we dress her down with a pair of sneakers, and you know I'm a sneakers girl. And yeah, she's just like, I love it. I love like the sailor look. I'm gonna wear it every spring, every summer. I'm gonna have some type of sailor look in my closet. So Free Assembly is the brand, from the women's section, size large. Yes, I did upsize, because when it comes to like these dresses, I love that big look. I don't want it to be fitting at all. This was y'all. $22, only $22. Like, that is such a steal. The material is so good. Like, it's not too thick and it's not too thin, but you can definitely tell that it's a quality material. And then the buttons, like, if you want to button it up to your neck, you can, but me, I'm gonna want to show my necklaces and just have that little moment. Sis, I love this. I want to say that the sleeves are kind of like a bat wing or whatever. It's not supposed to come all the way down. It's kind of supposed to wing out and just kind of fit you right here. It kind of goes over that. I don't know. It's a little weird. Maybe I'll scooch it up. Scooch it? Is that a word? Scooch it? If it's not, it is. So I will just scooch it up like this whenever I wear, and or put like a denim jacket. Like, I have so much hopes for this. Not even hopes. I have so many looks for this when I wear it, and with a red lip, with a red bag, sis. Anyways, because I'm just getting excited. So it's just cute. It's like this little boxy, and then it has pockets. Sis, I love anything with pockets. A dress with pockets just has my heart. Just has my heart. Like, so cute. It's the perfect length, and then it has like a little baby little slit just to, you know, think you're doing something. But she's cute. Like, the little t-shirt dress, I love it. I will get one. I literally get one every year now that I think about it, from Walmart. But she's cute, y'all. I paired her with my blue Jordans, a blue and white hat from Urban Outfitters, and then my denim bag from Zara. Again, y'all, if you want to dress it up, you can do a red lip, red bag, like any type of color, because this is neutral. You can wear it with pink, orange, like any little color, pop of color will be so cute. I kept it real simple because I didn't want to mess up my lip or whatever, and I didn't want to do too much. I was literally being lazy, but I kind of like this look. Like, this look kind of eats. The only thing that I would add is a red lip. But yeah, girl, she cute. Okay, sis, so that is it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.